I kept seeing the same stuff over and over again on every single YouTube video, such as books, journals, or laptops. This video I'm going to be showing you guys 10 things that I wish people told me to bring to school. The most versatile piece of decoration is a whiteboard. You can like doodle stuff, you can put out your schedule, whatever you want to do on it, you can do with a whiteboard. It's a perfect piece of decoration, doesn't look bad in your room, and helps you stay on top of things. Some people go to house parties or dorm rooms to have fun, others go to hit a lick. Make sure you keep yourself as safe to hide your valuables. This gets me on to my third thing. The third thing you need is a Tide stick or a to-go, what do they call these? Something that you can clean clothes with on the go. A lot of times you'll be walking, spill your coffee on yourself like I did. A Tide stick always comes in handy. Always be prepared. You're walking to class and suddenly it starts raining. What do? Pull out the raincoat that you keep in your backpack at all times. Keeping a raincoat in your backpack is key when you're in college because it might start raining at any time. The weather is unpredictable, especially here in Indiana. Robes are essential, especially for dorm rooms, because when you get out of the shower, the community shower, you want to walk back to your room in a comfy robe. Always keep yourself strapped up with some cologne, so you can keep yourself confident and smelling like a Greek god. Walking into a dirty room can give you a lot of stress and anxiety that is unneeded. Getting a hamper fixes all these problems, as you can just throw all your dirty clothes in there and wait till you do the laundry. All college kids know that keeping a mini fridge in your dorm room or your room in general is key. Maybe you want to keep your drinks away from other people, your roommates. Maybe you want to keep snacks in your room. Who knows? No need to ask questions. Keep a mini fridge in your room at all times. And this gets me to my next one too. Always keep a Brita in your mini fridge as well. When you're hungover and you don't want to go downstairs to get water, good thing you have your own water in your mini fridge. Keep a Brita and a mini fridge both in your room. You've been in class all day, you're bored, you have ADHD, so you've been on your phone. Your phone's dying and you don't know what to do as you walk back from class. You need to call your mom on your way back from class and it's almost dead. That's why you always keep a portable charger in your backpack. That's the 10th and final one. The portable charger always comes in clutch. Whether you need it, maybe a friend needs it, you can be the helpful friend. Always keep a portable charger in your backpack, and that's the 10th essential for this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe button, all that jazz if you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Peace.